What is public sector economics? Why it is important? All those who are thinking to register this course must have gone through the concepts of microeconomics and macroeconomics in Econ 101, 102, 201 and 202, as these are the prerequisites for public sector economics Econ 305. Have you ever thought that even after doing so many courses in economics, you still need to study the course of public sector? Or why these 4 courses are prerequisite for public sector? These indeed are the big questions. To answer the question, it's important to see that what is the puzzle which cannot be resolved by microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let's try the answer through some examples.
Example 1, you must be familiar concept of supply and demand and market equilibrium. What you think what market equilibrium is? Market equilibrium is a situation which represents the mutual agreement between supplier and demander on the price and quantity which they agreed upon. But then for a moment, imagine that for any reason if this mutual consensus does not take place, or there is a disagreement, or there is a breach of the contract between the two parties, or the market does not offer what demander wants or fails to offer the exact good which demander want, cases of complete market failure and market failure.
So, have you ever thought what possibly be the solution? Who can resolve this issue? Is there any authority which take care of such situations? Wait for the answer. Example 2. Think of an industry which is involved in production process and creating environmental pollution. The smoke which is coming out of the chimney of the factory and the toxic chemicals, running out of its tunnels and polluting rivers. Who is responsible for that environmental pollution? Who is paying the cost of this pollution, the people on the street or owner of the factory? In case of conflict of interest, who is the final authority to resolve such disputes? And many more situations like these.
If you want to know the answers of such questions, you are at the right platform. Econ 305, Public Sector Economics, is all about such issues and its solution. Economics of the public sector is the study of government policy through the lens of economic efficiency and equity. It builds on the theory of welfare economics and is ultimately used as a tool to improve social welfare. It provides a framework for thinking about whether the government should participate in economic markets and to what extent it should do so. Government participates in market due to market failure. Do you know what market failure is?
There are different types of market failures, which are productive and allocative inefficiency, monopoly power, missing markets, incomplete markets, demerit goods, negative externalities.
And the solution of market failure are using private market solutions called institutional economics, voluntary collective actions called coalition game in game theory, government-imposed solutions called public sector economics is. And we are here to learn that how public sector economics deals with such problems.
So, guys, welcome to the class if you really find it interesting. Hi, I am Azma Battle, the instructor of Econ 305, Public Sector Economics. The detailed requirements of the course along with options, recommended books, and modes of examination is all given in course outline, which is attached with the trailer.
Wait. Before you leave, do you know who was a big mind behind all these stories? It's Richard Abel Musgrave, December 14, 1910 to January 15, 2007. So, let's explore his contribution in economics.